Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and today's word is civilization. So, what exactly is civilization? Well, it's a noun, and at a B2 level, it refers to an advanced stage of human social development and organization. Think of it as a society that has developed sophisticated systems of government, culture, industry, and technology. You might hear people say things like ancient Rome was a powerful civilization, or the development of agriculture was crucial for the rise of civilizations. Now, let's delve into some synonyms, words that have similar meanings. One good synonym for civilization is society. For example, we could say, our society has made great strides in medical research. Another suitable synonym is culture. You might hear something like, Greek culture had a profound impact on Western thought. A further synonym, highlighting the advancement aspect, is progress. Consider this. Technological progress has transformed modern life. Another synonym could be development, focusing on the growth aspect. For instance, the development of sustainable energy sources is crucial for our future. Finally, let's look at advancement. The advancement of human knowledge is a continuous process. Now, let's switch gears and explore antonyms, words that have opposite meanings to civilization. One stark antonym is barbarism. We could say, the war descended into barbarism with widespread atrocities. Another opposing word is savagery. Imagine this. The early explorers witnessed acts of savagery among some isolated tribes. A further antonym is anarchy, signifying a lack of order and government. Consider this. The country fell into anarchy after the dictator's overthrow. Wilderness can also be considered an antonym, focusing on the lack of human influence. The explorers ventured into the uncharted wilderness. Finally, chaos represents a state of complete disorder, the opposite of the organized structure of a civilization. After the earthquake, the city was in complete chaos. So, how can you use civilization in everyday life? Well, you might say, maintaining a high level of civilization requires respect for the law. Or you could comment on current events, saying, the challenges facing our civilization are complex and require global cooperation. You might also use it in a broader context, like the study of ancient civilizations provides valuable insights into human history. Here are a few more sentence and phrase examples. The Roman civilization was known for its impressive engineering feats. The decline of a civilization is often attributed to internal conflicts and external pressures. He studied the art and architecture of ancient civilizations. The concept of a global civilization is becoming increasingly relevant. The rise of agriculture was fundamental to the development of civilizations. The preservation of cultural heritage is vital for maintaining a vibrant civilization. The clash of civilizations is a complex and controversial topic. Sustainable practices are essential for the survival of our civilization. Advances in science and technology are hallmarks of modern civilization. The spread of literacy contributed to the growth of civilizations throughout history. In conclusion, civilization, meaning an advanced stage of human social development, is a powerful word with rich implications. We explored synonyms like society, culture, progress, development, and advancement, and antonyms such as barbarism, savagery, anarchy, wilderness, and chaos. Remember, language is a journey, and every new word you learn expands your horizons. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. Before we go, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to our podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover our show and continue their English learning journey. And don't forget, we would love to see you put what you have learned into practice. Please create your own sentence using the word civilization and share it as a comment under the video. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words. Bye for now.